Good morning. Good morning, Fox. Ali, Chris, Andreas, James, Jason, Uni, newbies. Good morning, people. How are we doing? I'm Slayer, Tom. Good morning. Ooh. Mohammed, good morning. I know, right? London is just being extremely slow. Feels like we moved prior, like to to London. Small night, yeah, I'm tired. Um, oh, we didn't move so much since yesterday. But yeah, London is just moving really slow lately. Really hard to keep up with it. Good morning, Seafair. How are you doing? Why my face color is looking like Thanos? Because I don't have fucking um um good light on my face that brightens everything. Need to get something. I don't know why I keep doing this. Let's go over the chart. 3M open. Let's see. We didn't sweep previous day low. Previous day low. Daily chart. Daily chart doesn't look bullish at all. Morning, Chris. Who's gonna fly to London tomorrow? Uh, I'm flying Friday. Uh, yes, take the load. I'm feeling less bullish, to be honest. Like everything looks way more bearish. Good morning, Mikey. Thing is, this part of the charge is extremely fucking ugly. Like we just ranged. Like since New York game, we just didn't move. We tapped into an hourly fair value gap here, a really small one. Good morning, Rabbit Bullet, that's you. So we tapped into this hourly fair value gap. And we are moving higher. It's possible, yeah. It's possible that we are just consolidating here. I can tell it's gonna be a slow one again. Once more. Good morning, Aaron. Really slow start. Yeah, PA has not been the best lately, especially during London session. Um, yeah, it's part of like the game, I guess. We have moments where the market is like moving better. You are in sync with it. You feel like everything that you do is gonna play out. Looks like we want to bounce up this hourly fair value, which is taking so much time. Uh, Lungs, I don't know. Like I wouldn't mind a long from here, but we're just thinking, we're just taking so long to move, you know? Like I wouldn't mind like going for something like this into the high because it makes sense that we go for this high. So for now, just waiting. Like 3 a.m. open was just really bad. Based on 3 a.m. open, I might go back to sleep to be honest. Oh, I wish I could do that. But yeah. Wow. Let's see what we do here. Really slow. Morning, Anthony. Just go along, easy peasy. Wish it was that easy. Morning, DDB. Would like to see your price go down to 29,700 and push. What's the bias for the next 2 hours? So it's really interesting. We have previously low over here, and then we have a high here. I think like I would like to. We are ranging, that's for sure. Like I don't think we are going anywhere for now. I was expecting a move higher, take Asia high, and then move lower. But it's just struggling so much. So for now, the bias are really unclear for me. Like the daily chart looks bearish. Overall, I don't know why I don't feel bullish at all. But everything's just taking so long to move. So again, I said it. I'm in a mood where I'm trying to not be extremely like positive about putting risk on the charts. And since I did that, I did really well, way better than when I was like having um um yeah, I mean we started like trading like shit because of the charts, like because of the price action. Slow down my trading. Um Started like just catching extremely perfect like trades in my eyes, and I think we all should do the same because like price action is just not there to long or short everything that we see. Even with this bad price action, I managed to uh there no, I'm trading like right now on stream. I have a Lucid trading account ready for the challenge that we started. That's 500 down. What's your daily bias in the process? You can go over that now. Um, but I've been trading, for example, Top Step the past like week and something. Um, because I don't know why I just grabbed like a few Top Step accounts and I just secured payout. I'm just waiting to get paid. Um, I'm not sure that you can like link your trading view account on TradeZella and then pull up your own indicators. Like if you can do it, just go ahead, of course. But I don't think you can do it. For the indicator, how did I backtest? I mean, we coded that thing, so we have so we have a system in place that we can. So we have the indicators coded on PineScript for TradingView, and we have the same thing with the same logic on a Python project where we can use that same logic on a longer backtest that data. And we also have like I have an admin version of the indicator with statistics. Oh yeah, it was an automatic. I mean, the automatic one doesn't take like into account like fair value gaps. It doesn't take into account logic. It's just purely mechanic unicorn trading. But if I do a backtest myself, the results were good. Otherwise, we wouldn't launch it because that was one of the requirements for us to want to release the indicator. Of course, yeah, of course. That's the thing. That's like we agreed. Like, and we cannot say numbers. I can tell you that by itself, the unicorn, if you were to take all of the unicorns that on the 1 minute, like it's showing you, you would be making money at the end of the month. Um, the thing is, it prints on the 1 minute with like the standard settings, like the default settings, it's printing 600 trades a month. So realistically, it's not something that you could do. Like you cannot take like 600 trades to be able to make money on a like pure mechanical thing. But the win rate is positive, and yeah, and the final R at the end of the month, it's positive. The thing is, we don't want to say numbers because we don't want people to just use it as a signal thing. It is not actually. How many on M5 or M15? So the longer, like the higher time period you go, the sample size reduces by like 50%, close to that. It also depends on the asset, whatever, the type of liquidities. But with the default ones, yeah, like 600 on the 1 minute, around 300 and something on the 5, 150, 180 on the 15 minute. I think the 15 minute is the lowest one, of course. But yeah. Yeah, but so like during New York, it really depends on the type of session really right now. But because like right now in New York, it's just a shit show at the open. We just go for the lows, then go for the highs, go for the lows again, and then we have the movement, like the real movement. And in between the shit show and the real movement, there's like a few unicorns that completely fail, and yeah, and that's true. Wow, guys, it's gonna be hard to watch. Extremely hard to watch. So you agree on? See you, Tom. So you agree, or can you suggest something with high probability different? Um, High probability, like right now, like everything changes from time to time, of course. But right now, like, okay, what I've been doing for the unicorn like indicator is just set yourself the alerts on the time frames and the settings that you want to use. I have my alerts on, and eventually get a notification on my phone saying, okay, potential breaker, whatever on that time frame. If I see the notification, I just get into the charts. I know that it's gonna form like a unicorn on the time frame that the notification I got, like 1 minute, 5 minute, whatever, and then I just go back into a higher time frame and look for the usual things like, okay, we are gonna have this what did we do higher time frame for this to happen? If we have a fair value gap, if we have like we swept like a significant high swing low, then you consider taking or not taking independently of the session. Then doing New York, avoid New York Open. Like just completely forget about New York Open. Don't try to just catch the move at New York Open because most likely you're gonna fail. You can have like your bias right at the Open at 9:30 and still take a loser. Because what we said, like I don't know why the openings right now they are just like hectic at the start, where we just take highs and lows constantly, like 2 or 3 times, and then 10 a.m. just completely reverses the move that we had prior to that. Like the first 30 minutes, they are like completely useless right now. I think they are really coin flip. So just try to avoid trading New York. And if you can try and just get a trade outside New York and then not trade New York, I think you're going to do even better. Yeah. Like I've been avoiding New York Open for, I don't want to say months, but weeks, I would say. Um, because it's not being like the same thing it was like 2 or 3 years ago. I don't know if you were around. Uh, but 2 years ago, 3 years ago, 9:30 was extremely clean. We would just manipulate a higher low and then have like throughout the whole session, pretty much the same move until we reached like a significant liquidity area. It was just so easy. Now it's just completely the opposite. Like I don't know how people are trading the open, being honest. Because if you check the chart, it's just, I don't know, like right here, like the way I trade right here, like I would get fucked. And it was a bit clean yesterday. And I'm not gonna lie, it was a little bit cleaner. Good morning, traders. You a chart, yeah, yeah. We're getting nerfed. Let's see if we move here or we just keep ranging. Look at the 1 minute. The 1 minute is just completely ranging here. That's crazy. It's gonna be a really bad session, at least for what we're seeing right now. From technical POV, how can I put every unicorn in play by bots? You could use Claude. You can link Claude into your trading view. And if not, there's like an official API for TradingView that I've used personally. Uh, you just look for TradingView API on Google. You're gonna find it most likely. And what it does is like it connects to your TradingView, and you can see all the values and like interact with like everything that's on screen from TradingView. You can make it work. I don't know how fast it would be because like if you're like of course, I've like put time into automating this, but it's hard, of course. Um, can we short? I mean, I guess we can short. I don't have any unicorn. I don't have anything for me to short here, so I guess it's gonna be hard for me. But the next fair value, like we have fair value, we have the 15 here. Hourly, we don't have any other hourly fair value gap. And we have a huge 15 here. I don't know, maybe we were going for previously low. Oh yeah, there's the 1 minute one that formed previously to the open. Yeah, I didn't want to take that one, to be honest. That should be this range here, but yeah, true. But so, like if you can, I would suggest you to use the API, the one that I mentioned, the unofficial API. But if you want to just like start testing and gathering some stats or whatever, you can use Claude. Like you can link Claude real quick uh, into a trading view and just ask questions, come up with a few like statistics, play around with it for a while, and then like consider automating it. That's also one of the things. Most likely, this is not something that you want to use for platform trading. Uh, like if you manage to make money, automate it and make money, um, you're gonna probably get banned. I mean, you're gonna be able to secure some money out of them, like take a few payouts here and there, but at the end of the day, you're gonna get like banned most likely. Tapped into this 15-minute gap again. Reached wire into this. Let's see if we can move higher. Bounce from B web now. Bump this. Yeah. Let's see. Big opening gap. It's just so slow. Royal. push here. Start moving to M and Q because maybe if we form something, I might take it. God. Let's see what we do here. Did I take a trade yesterday? I took a short at 10 a.m. Yes, I did. Yeah, right. Like 2 hour thing is just crazy to see it sometimes. But it just gets to 2 hour and bounces out of nowhere. Yeah, at least we have the music, you know. Production team is cooking. But yeah, the music sounds good here. It seems to be pushing here. Out of this 15-minute gap, 15-minute swing. Like the swap previous 15-minute low. This 15-minute 3 a.m. 15-minute low also. If we can get a closure, I might give it a try also. I need a little bit higher the confirmation. It's likely something like this. This 2R. Sweep here. Yes, sir. What is ES doing? ES moving the same way, pretty much. Oh, five. I'm getting into this if I can get an entry, of course. Shit, that was low once again. Still not removing my entry here. There it goes. Shit, I should have placed the fucking order. Where will be the break even? Yeah, the trade looks really good. The break even, the logical way to move break even would be a closure above this high here. We are above 1 hour, above this high. But it has to be a closure, not just a sweep, like right now. But like right now, you wouldn't be break even. We didn't have a closure on it. Ideally, we wanted to see get me an entry. But yeah, definitely looking really good. Am I in macros? Because what happened? We didn't. I mean, we did get an entry also on NQ. I think I wouldn't mind getting an entry here still, to be honest. And I'm not in this trade, by the way, because I was just extremely slow. We did have an entry here at 345 after 344 confirmed. I just was slow. I was just checking ES and I completely missed the entry. I'm in this now. Let's see if we can hold here. Yes. Yes, it's the stronger one. Yes. Didn't get back into the entry on the breaker block. see if we can hold this. Not looking good. There goes the breaker. I have my stop loss a little bit lower. Uh, and not looking good. I know, Jason. Yeah, yeah. It was. This is like the perfect setup we would have taken like every fucking day on stream. Now it looks like this was just a reaction of the 15-minute gap, but the market is just not sure where we should go. Good morning, Alex. There goes my stop loss. Damn. London sessions are like really fucking hard lately. There's no follow up. Same, Andres. Yeah, same. There's no follow up on nothing. The London session. We ran out of luck here. The thing is, like, we don't have. We're not just moving. We're not going anywhere because like, we're not committing into any with quick action. Yeah, it's just insane. I really like this setup, by the way. Of course, it is what it is. Like we cannot do anything about it. Do you have already in trade? Yeah, I took this long, and the one that just took me out. How would I journal this? Like a normal one. Like the way I would journal it, like I don't know how you journal, but the way I just journal is just I get my trade, like I note my trade. I add tags to it, like 15-minute fair value, 15-minute swing, whatever. If I did something wrong because I did something wrong myself, I add it on a note. If I didn't, it's just part of like it's just a normal losing trade. Seems like you have a solid to get to JP Morgan. Yeah. You need to create a search video for choppy days. Choppy strat. You know what's the strategy for this one? Go to the beach. If we're in a choppy day, just get the fuck out. Yep. Yeah. We're we're in a bad spot here, and then you're like 4 times. Yeah, I guess. Like the price action is fucking shit. I'm not doing that bad, to be honest. Like I've been managing to get like my trades, secure my base hits. The outcome doesn't matter. I'm crying. But yeah, overall, I think I've been doing good. Anyway, when is Leo coming on? Pre-market or later? Let me check it for you real quick if you want. Let me just check it. Leo. Today's Wednesday, right? Yes, sir. Um, it is coming the second part of the stream though, so 9 and something later, so not pre-market. Yeah, that's pretty much it, Jason. Yeah, that looks good. Yeah, the trade looked really good. I mean, it was a perfect trade for me. That's for sure. Like in my eyes, that's something I would have taken 100 times if it showed up 100 times. With higher max payout, let me think. Yeah, because right now there's not like uh or if you want, like, to be honest, I didn't like trade with Top Step that much. They're really good. Like I passed the accounts in 2 3 days, and then I chose the consistency path. That you need just 3 trading days with 40% consistency, and on the 50 days you can request 3,000 per account. That it's not bad. You want to try again longer? Not really, to be honest. Like, I think if we didn't get a follow-up previously, I don't want to try and force it when I already know that the market's not moving the way it was moving a few weeks ago. Like, it's not committing to any side. I think it's safe to say that I prefer to just aim for one trade. If nothing happens, just come to the next day and see if it's a little bit better. I didn't, Chris. I've seen people use it. Um, I don't know. I don't know on anyone that had any problem with them, so I guess they're gonna be good. Was this level? Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm trading the Lucid that I got just to trade here. I mean, give us just range in these lower noses on the edges. Pretty disappointing, PA. What up? I do, yeah. I do trade Lucid Flex. This motherfucker's gonna go high now. Don't you? Classic and Cube. Yeah, it's insane, guys. Guess what? The piece volume open of the contract so far is the delta. I mean, the higher time frame chart looks bearish. That's for sure. Seen. I was just looking for a move to Asia high and then keep going lower. I don't know. Good luck with the lungs. Look at the 5 minute. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna have a unique breaker here, but This is a fucking big ass breaker block. I don't want to trade this. Especially if my drawn liquidity is here. Like if I really want to trade into that high, I cannot take this. This goes just fucking higher. Yeah, I agree, Sin. I agree with you. So yeah, not looking to trade the 5-minute here. It's time to trade on NQ. Come on, Juno. We need to know when not to force anything, to be honest. Like previously, like I don't know, a month ago, we would be trading. Like I could take a losing trade during London and then just read long or whatever. Because at the end of the day, we moved like during the session. I don't believe these London sessions are high probability lately, and that's the sad part of it. Because we all sit here to be able to take a winning trade, but the reality is that the session is not being good, and we can already tell like this thing here would have not happened a month ago. Yeah, exactly. Market makers learned the unicorn and now they're targeting us. I'm not Alex, but I can take it off if you want. Imagine. What did he say? I can take it off if you want. it goes, fucking getting Q higher. This motherfucker. This is crazy. Yeah, I know, right? Oh, it is crazy. It is crazy. Most likely we're gonna go for a high here. I missed the long, I guess. Yeah, I guess I missed it. I mean, there was nothing for me to get into this long, like just long, because I wanted this to go higher. Hmm, I guess. Uh, yeah, that's good. Like if you need SMT for your trades, that's good. I don't. I personally don't need SMT for my trades, so that's why I took the previous one. You use PO3. Yeah, it's pretty much PO3. Yeah, I get it. I get it, Aaron. Yeah. Yeah, like I think Ray and Leo, they also trade the same way, like with SMTs, most likely, most of the times. Yeah, yeah, I trade PO3. It's just the same concept, like just taking a manipulation move, then just trading into the opposite of the manipulation. So yeah, most likely here, I'm not gonna take anything else. I think we can go for Asia high. If I wanted to take any other trade, I would probably wait for Asia high, then move lower. Um, so most likely done for me here during the London session. I don't know if anyone has any questions. Yeah, I'm going Basi. Yeah. What is this unicorn? I mean, it's a valid unicorn, to be honest, based off of 50-minute open high low close. Okay, boys. So if there's no questions, um, I'm gonna bounce here. Um, be careful with New York session. Don't get caught into anything crazy. Alex and Leo are gonna be for New York Open, so feel free to tune in. Thank you once again. Really slow sessions. Really hard to trade. Not gonna lie. We're gonna keep going. I'm gonna see you tomorrow, same time. Y'all better tune in, man. That's the thing. I'm gonna see you tomorrow, same time. It's gonna be my last London stream for this week as I'm traveling Friday to London. So you better join. And yeah, thank you so much. See you tomorrow. Stay safe. Bye.